part. We have to multiply 2 minus 7i with 2 plus 7i. Try it out. As we have practiced multiplication of complex numbers, let's solve this one quickly. Multiplying 2 minus 7i with 2 gives us 4 minus 14i. And multiplying 2 minus 7i with 7i, we get 14i minus 49 times I squared, which is nothing but 14i plus 49. Adding the real and imaginary parts separately, we get the real part as 4 plus 49, that is 53, and imaginary part as negative 14i plus 14i, which is 0i. That's interesting. 0i is nothing but 0. The imaginary part is 0. Hence, 2 minus 7i multiplied by 2 plus 7i gives us 53 plus 0i, or just 53, which is a real number. Multiplication of two different complex numbers gave us a real number here. So that should tell us that multiplication of two complex numbers may result in a real or a complex number. Look at this case carefully. We have 2 plus 7i and 2 minus 7i. The real parts are the same and the imaginary parts are also the same. Just the sign of the imaginary numbers that differs. So let us try a general complex number a plus bi and multiply it with a minus bi. Solving this gives us a squared plus b squared as the final answer. And this will be a real number as we are just adding the squares of two real numbers. So if we knew this, we could have directly written the answer for the previous example as 2 squared plus 7 squared. 4 plus 49 is 53. We didn't really need to do all this. But anyway, how can we summarize this? The product of two complex numbers with equal real parts and with imaginary parts having opposite signs will result in a real number. Here's something we need to know about this concept. A plus bi and a minus bi are called complex conjugates of each other. Same real parts and opposite signs of imaginary parts. Complex conjugate numbers are very useful and we will use them further in our coming videos.